So in this video we are going to learn how to convert this report here using tables. So first we increase the size of our master data so it's easier to visualize. We will take this table object, drag it. Now regardless of whatever you drop it here, it will always make a 5 by 5 grid of its own size. Okay, you can select the table object from here or in the report tree by selecting the table object. Okay, we require 2 columns, we require 1 row. Okay, and here we are. Okay, now the good part about table is it's very easy to place objects inside. So let's say here we require the frequency, here we require the task name, just here. Okay, now if I will preview this, it is going to give me repetition. So let's just go over this. So it is repeating these items. So first I can get rid of existing data. Okay, now I want to increase the overall size of this table. Okay, so I can drag. Now this is painful over here. Okay, now your next natural tendency would be to, when this item is selected, to come over here and try and increase the size, say 6 or 7, and you will see nothing will happen. Okay, because we are working with individual columns. So what you need to do is come in report tree. Okay, select the column that you want to work with. So here my column number 1, I'm okay with the width of 2. My second column I want to increase its width to say 17 so that it extends all the way through. Okay, now I will save it and preview it. It gives me this, but you will see that this is not aligned properly. Correct, there's so much distance between these items. To do this, first I need to get rid of all the extra space here, which I did so, but you will see again space, it did not make a difference. Correct, because my item is already marked as stretched. Okay, it does not matter what is the distance below. So that means so the below distance does not matter. All that matters is the above distance. Okay, so if I will preview it, you will see the distance has decreased, but it is still not disappeared. Now if you want it pixel perfect, even if you do it this much, you will see little bit of distance between. Correct, so it does not give it does not look like it is a table. What you essentially need to do is decrease 0 distance between master data and the table starting. Now if you will preview it, it will come perfectly one by one down. Okay, now the instructions to increase the height. Okay, now to take care of the height, we will click this, we will click the table object first and we will say by actual height. Okay, then we come back to table row and say auto size true. Okay, we will save this. Now if you have multi-line item, it will come across properly. Understood? Oh my lord. Fine. Okay, thank you.